Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. What is Pinocchio AI? Well, today I'm going to explain everything that you need to know. So stick close and let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, the very first thing I'm going to do is go into the mobile app. So if you go into your app store or your Play Store, you're going to go and look into the search bar. You're going to go and look for Meta. All right, so say Meta AI, and this is the app. Meta AI, Vibes and AI, there we go. That's the one, right? So what happens when you actually open this up? This is what the interface actually looks like. Now, there are a few nice things about this. Here, if you tap on this middle little Meta icon here, you'll find yourself over here. And here you can literally ask anything. You can create videos from your images. You can see there's some pre-written prompts here. You can create weekly meal plans. You can basically create whatever it is that you'd like. So you can create videos, you can create photographs, you can do basically anything. You can also use it as a search engine. So you can basically use it as a chatbot and a creation tool. You see there's a plus button here. This plus button will allow you to add media. And then if you want to use the text, or sorry, the speech to text, you can actually just tap on the little microphone icon over here. The next way to use it is if we go into Facebook, and this can only be done on the mobile app. So we are going to open up our Facebook mobile app, and in the top right hand side, you're going to go and look for the search bar. Now, once you've hit the search bar, you can go ahead and search something. And what will basically happen is Meta AI will now give you search results. I've now searched what is Meta AI, and right at the top, you will see it has given me, before all of my results, it's given me like an AI overview over here. You can also click on see more, and it'll give you everything that you need to know about your query. The next way of doing this is going into Instagram. And from Instagram, once you open the app, you'll also be able to go to the search icon over here at the bottom. And once you tap on search, you can literally search whatever it is you'd like. All right, there's my query. And right at the top, before anything else, I get a summarization. So my question is, can I use Meta AI in WhatsApp? And yes, I can. You can also tap on more, and you'll have a bunch more information about that before you actually get search results. The next way, of course, is using it in WhatsApp. So let's drop that. And let's jump into WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, you'll see right at the bottom, there is a little Meta AI icon. Tap on that icon, and literally you are going to create a chat with Meta. So let's go ahead and say, good afternoon, what's up? You can see I've got a bit of chat history over here, and you can literally just use this as a chat. Now, the last way is on our desktop, and you can see now I am in Facebook. You can do this from Instagram as well, but ultimately, if you go into your Facebook account, on the left-hand side, you will see a menu here, and you can just click on Meta AI, and here you can actually use Meta AI as a chat. So exactly as you did on your mobile device, you can go ahead and you can use it as a chatbot. You can create videos from photographs. You can restyle photographs. You can also create apps or organizers or whatever it is that you'd like right over here.